You know what today is? It's Gina's lucky day. Ha-ha!
Hello. Hi, welcome to Sesame Street. Oh, look at this.
La, 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 la.
Hey,
Gina,
Big Bird.
guess what?
What?
Today is your lucky day.
It is?
Oh, sure,
Oh.
because I'm here to help you.
Oh, well, thank you, Big Bird, but I don't need that much help.
Ah, don't be silly. I could help you. Oh, look at that. I could help you clean up. You could use that broom, and I could use the dustpan. We'll cooperate.
All right. Okay, I could go for that. Here, you take this.
Okay?
Okay, now let me just first sweep up, okay?
Okay.
All right. There we go. All done.
Okay.
Okay.
And now, how do I use this thing?
Okay, just put the dustpan on the floor, and I'll sweep the dirt into it, okay?
Okay.
Ready? There we go. Okay. This is
Sweep,
great.
sweep. Sweeperoo, sweepery.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, Big Bird.
Hmm?
Oh.
Oh, gee, I'm afraid the dirt's not supposed to be on the floor, is it?
No, you were supposed to carry the trash on the dustpan and put it in the trash basket.
Well, that's a horse of a different color. Let's try one more time and we'll cooperate again.
Okay.
This time, I know I'll get it right.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay. Just there. Okay. There we go.
Good.
Okay. Very good, very good. Wait, some
Just
more.
the way to do it?
Yep, you're doing great. Just, okay. Okay.
Last piece.
Yep, one more. All right,
Okay,
all
here we
right, all right.
Okay.
Oh, very good, Big Bird. I am
Thank
very
you.
proud of you.
So, did I help you?
Yes, you did. I am very proud of you.
Well, it was my pleasure because today is your lucky day. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's okay, Big Bird. It's okay. I'll take care of it. Okay.
Maybe I should try to think of a better way to help Gina. All done. And the best part of it is that today is still your lucky day.
Oh, it is, huh?
Oh, sure, because I'm still here to help you.
Big Bird, really, you don't have to. Really,
Hey,
please.
dudes! I could use some help back here, you know.
Okay.
wait,
I'll-
I'll go see what he wants.
No, Big Bird, no.
Oh,
no, no,
please, I can do it.
No. Okay. All right, just Big Bird, please be careful. Please.
Oh,
Okay.
I'll be careful. What could go wrong?
Oh.
How may I help you, sir?
Well, I have this birdseed egg roll here, you know, but I don't know how to eat it, man. I've never eaten a birdseed egg roll before, man.
Well, that's easy. I'll show you.
Huh?
Well, to eat a birdseed egg roll like this, you could either use your, why don't you use your chopsticks,
These here?
or you can use the fork.
Uh-huh. Huh. Oh, man, I didn't know that you could do that. Thanks a lot, man.
Of course, those are not the only ways you could eat a birdseed egg roll.
No?
Some birds just like to peck at it with their beaks, like this. Peck, 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 you know.
Oh, now I get it. Man, you're the best. Thank you so, so much.
But confidentially,
Yeah?
bird to bird,
Yeah?
you know how I like to eat my birdseed egg rolls?
No, I don't.
Well, I just like to pick up the old egg roll just like this,
Uh-huh.
and then I just pop it in my beak.
Hey, man!
There you have it. 4 perfectly good ways to eat a birdseed egg roll. So enjoy your lunch.
Actually, man, I can't.
Why not?
Because, man, you just ate it, man.
Oh, oops.
You weren't helpful at all, man. You just ate my lunch, man.
But, well,
What's going on? What's going on? What?
He ate my lunch, man.
Oh,
Well, I
Big
didn't
Bird.
mean to. It just sort of happened.
Okay, look, sir, I'm really sorry. I have other birdseed egg rolls. I'll get you another one, okay?
Hey, what
All
kind
right?
of restaurant is this, man? I come in for lunch, man. I don't get lunch, man.
You know, if I really want to help Gina, I'm going to have to get someone to help me.
Hey, look, man, just give me another egg roll,
I will get you another egg roll if you
Oh,
could just
man,
calm
I'm
down.
really hungry.
All right, bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Hi, guys. How you doing?
Hey, Bob. All right,
Hi,
your soup
Gina.
should be ready in a minute.
Oh, great. I'm
It's
so
really good
hungry.
today, too. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hi,
Great
Gina.
lunch.
Is it-
Hey.
Hi, Big Bird.
Hi, Bob. Hey, Bob, guess
Yeah?
what today is?
I give up, Big Bird. What?
Today is Gina's lucky day.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've been helping her. That's why she's so lucky.
Ah, that's very nice of you, Big Bird.
Yeah, well, actually, I haven't been as lucky as I would have liked, Bob, but
Really?
no.
Well, I know I didn't do as a great a job as I could helping you by myself. So guess what? I got a
What?
partner. Someone to help me help you. My old pal, the Snuffleupagus. Come over here, Snuffy.
Here I am, Bird, ready to help you
Snuff.
on.
Oh, excuse me.
Lucky
Yeah.
day.
Hi.
We're gonna cooperate and help you together.
No, really, guys, I don't need the help. I really don't. Really, please.
Oh, that's okay. We'll wait until we can help.
Yeah, we're patient.
Yeah.
Okay, well, Bob, I'm gonna go just check your soup.
Okay, thanks.
See you
Gina.
later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Need any help, Bob?
No, not yet, Big Bird. Thanks.
If you need any help, you be sure to call us, okay?
You bet I will, Snuff. Okay.
Here's your soup,
Oh,
Bob. Just be
great.
careful, okay? Because it's kind of hot.
Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
We
Good
could help. Let's blow on it.
Yeah.
No, don't. Sophie, no, please don't.
Oh, dear. Oh, boy. I really wanted to help Gina in the store today, but I ended up not helping her at all. I just made a big mess. Now I want Gina to know I'm sorry, so I made her a card. See? You open it up and it says, Love, Big Bird. If she likes it, I'll give it to her. Oh, Gina! Gina!
Big Bird? Is this a card?
Gina? I'm sorry I messed up. I just wanted it to be your lucky day and help you.
Oh, I know, Big Bird.
So, you're not angry at me?
No, I'm not angry. And you know something? This is my lucky day.
Yeah, but I didn't help you.
No, but you gave me this beautiful card. Mwah. I love it. Come here. Mwah.
Oh,
Thank you.
Gee, you're welcome.
I love it.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Maria.
Excuse me, Gina. Maria!
Yeah. Yes.
Maria,
Yes.
this is your lucky day.
Oh, really?
Yes, because I'm here to help you.
Oh.
Sesame Street was brought to you today by the letters K and Y and by the numbers 16.
Oh, I see.
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.